Hey, beautiful. I'm Amber, a self taught digital creator, stay at home mom, and your AI Baddie Bestie. I specialize in creating AI influencers, building bold digital brands, and helping shy girlies like us show up confidently without showing up 24/7. Today, I'm teaching you how to create your very own AI twin or AI influencer using Foul.ai so you can show up on brand, on vibe, and on your own terms. Let's talk about what an AI twin actually is. An AI twin is basically a digital version of you or the essence of you. She might look like you, or she might just represent your overall vibe, your energy, your aesthetic, your mood. Think your skin tone, your favorite hairstyles, your go to outfits, the way you want to show up online, even when you're not camera ready. You can use her for personal branding, boosting your confidence, or just building a cute alter ego that helps you post content when you're not feeling it. Here's why you need an AI influencer or twin in your toolkit. Show up without burnout. Create high quality content on autopilot. Stay creative without a glam team. Build a consistent scroll stopping brand. Sell and promote like a pro, even on low energy days. Now, let's break down what an AI influencer is because she's a little different from an AI twin. Your AI influencer doesn't have to look like you at all. She's more like a digital muse created to represent your brand, your niche, or even a specific product line. She's the one you send out when you want to show up online without actually showing your face. You can use her to promote your digital products, model affiliate links, show off mock outfits, or create filler content for your feed. She helps you stay consistent, creative, and on brand, even when you're low key behind the scenes. Here are some tools you'll need. Chat GPT for writing your prompts, captions, and content ideas. Fal AI to create your AI influencer from scratch. CapCut for editing videos, reels, and adding voiceovers. Kling AI to animate your AI twin and try on virtual outfits. Ideogram for styled visuals and creative graphics. Okay, so before we start, let's figure out who your digital twin or influencer really is. Pick her vibe: girly boss, clean girl, streetwear baddie. Now, decide her details. What's her skin tone? Her hairstyle? What's she wearing? And what kind of background or mood is she in? You can even create a quick mood board in Canva or Pinterest to get an idea of what you want. Here's a sample prompt to get you started. Hyper realistic, black plus size influencer. Brown skin, long curly black hair, street style outfit, graffiti wall background, confident pose, fashion forward. So, first, you're going to head over to fal.ai and click Get Started. Then click Continue with GitHub. Don't worry, it's free. And just sign up and add some credits. Once you are signed in, look at the top corner and click your little icon. Then hit Account, Billing, and you'll see where you can add credits. Start with the $10 one. Just click Buy for $10. All right, now go back to the home page and scroll until you find Flux Laura Fast Training. Here you'll upload your images. You can do a zip file if that's easier. Pick your trigger word. This will show up in every prompt automatically. Once uploaded, it'll start processing. When it's done, just click Run Inference. But first, we need some photos. All right, so I recommend if you want to create an influencer quickly, I like to go over to Ideogram and I like to create plus size women AI influencers. So I'll just search plus size women. You can pick your ethnicity too. Now, the reason why I really like Ideogram is because you can create images fairly quickly with similar facial features, which is super helpful when you're trying to build out a cohesive look. So I'm going to go to my favorites, and I like this look right here. Now, I can either generate this prompt again, or I can just tweak it. I'm going to click Use a Prompt. And then I follow what the original creator did here. She used Ideogram 2.0 and the C, so I'll just click the little plus sign, make sure everything lines up. She also used the 1 in 1 square, so I'll change that, set it to 2.0, switch it to realistic, and make sure we're using the same seed. That way we get consistent results. Now you can go in and change the skin tone. You can switch up the hair. I'm going to go with black hair this time. I'm also going to change the color of the swimsuit. It doesn't really matter about the background too much, but I am going to switch it to daytime and go with a white swimsuit. And then I'm going to click generate. While that's working, I'm going to go ahead and grab some photos that have her more up close. So I'll either grab this prompt again and just redo it, or I can go ahead and download all the pictures that have that same similar look. Okay, so ours are completed, and here is our model. I would use this one right here. I would actually use this as a style reference. So I'll click style reference, and then I'll go ahead and click generate. Okay, and then you're going to get a similar look again, which is exactly what we want. Then I'll go in, change the prompt a little, maybe do a full body this time. If you want a particular look, you can go ahead and create a bunch of full body and close-ups, get your variety going, and then take all of that over to face swap. Let's say this is the look you want on all of your photos. This is the one. This is your AI influencer identity. So you just download that photo and you download all the other images you created. I'll go ahead and recreate a couple more too, but we're gonna roll with what we got for now. Then you want to click download, and you can use any face swapping app. Most of them are free. I personally like to use AIFaceSwap.io because they also have batch face swapping, which saves time if you have a whole set to process. On iSwap, you're going to choose the face that you want for the model. So we were going with this one. You're going to go with the image that you want to use as your AI influencer. And then I'm going to upload the body types. Okay, and then I'm going to start the face swapping. Now, with AI face swapping, you do have to get some credits or little coins to create a batch. But if you want to do it for free, you can just do it individually. And you can come back every day. They give out free coins, so that's an option too. Okay, all right. Now, if some of the images come out and you can kind of tell that they're a little blurry, you can just go over to Canva, upload them, and upscale each one. It's super simple. But for this demo, I'm just going to click all the images and download them as a zip file. Then you're going to head over to Flux. You're going to pick a zip file here. Okay. And once you do that, you'll add your trigger word and then press start. So I am out of coins at the moment, but I have plenty of influencers already trained. The one from the slideshow, I have her right here, and I'm going to click her. Okay, now I'm going to head over to Ideogram, and I'm going to copy a prompt. Then I'm going back to Flux. Once it finishes uploading and processing, all you have to do is click Run Inference. You'll see your trigger word is already there. Paste your prompt, click run, and you're good. You really don't have to touch anything else unless you want to tweak image size or how many images it creates. Now, sometimes it'll say not safe for word content. Don't worry about that. Just run it again. It'll usually go through and give you like 2 or 3 images. Okay, and there you go. You just created your own AI influencer. If you want full body, let me show you real quick. I'm going to go to my likes, and let's say I want to grab this prompt, copy. Okay. Now I'm going to run it again, and there you go. Full body AI influencer. You can go in and edit your pictures if you want, and you can also go to creator and it'll show you all the images you've made. And yes, I've used myself. I've created several different AI influencers and my own AI twin over on fal.ai.